Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both computers. On the Windows machine, enable Remote Desktop and allow TCP 3389 through the firewall so connections can reach it. Once done, note the host IP address or public DNS and confirm whether you're on the same LAN or need port forwarding. On your Mac, open the App Store and install Microsoft Remote Desktop. Then grant the app screen recording and accessibility permissions in system settings so clipboard and controls work properly. You next create and configure the connection in Microsoft Remote Desktop. Click Add PC, enter the host IP or DNS name and a descriptive label so you can find it fast later. Then add your Windows credentials and enable network-level authentication for security. This also speeds handshakes. Make sure to configure display resolution and scaling, enable sound and clipboard redirection if you need them, and map local folders or printers. These settings balance usability versus bandwidth, so choose based on your network. You're ready to connect. Select the saved PC and press Connect, accept any certificate prompts, and confirm you can control the remote desktop. For remote over the internet, use a VPN or configure router port forwarding to TCP 3389 only if necessary, and secure the account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If things go wrong, a single-key troubleshooting tip. Test basic network reachability first, ping the host and use a port checker for 3389. If unreachable, verify firewall, router, and Windows remote services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.